Just hanging out.
He's not sure what to make of it.
Here we go.
That's a perfect size for him too. Absolutely perfect size.
Let's go into
I'm
the
telling you,
kitchen.
every time you want those cheese,
Oh, you having a good time?
Here's the refrigerator. We've seen
It's
before.
like it's like the Tournament of Roses parade. Let's see what
Loving
happens.
this? All right.
Hey, Rich.
We're going around the island. This is a fun indoor rainy day activity. Isn't it? Push the horn.
He's like Caesar
Push the horn.
being pulled to the chariot. Look at him with the
do
arms.
something cool. Listen to me.
Go back
We
a
take
little
him out for a walk now outside.
bit.
Look at him with the arms.
When it stops
Like,
raining.
I am the king.
Smile, you're having fun.
Just
We're gonna
him out.
take you in
Still
here.
figuring it out.
Oh, we should have gone to the dining room.
I am the king.
Spot.
Oh,
Whoopies. Full flimsy, this thing. You need like a couple more, like 5 more pounds.